Practicality of driving a Samba today. While driving a Samba bus today may require some adjustments, it offers a unique and rewarding experience. The lack of power steering and modern amenities like air conditioning may pose challenges, but the simplicity of the mechanics allow for smoother maneuverability, providing a level of control and responsiveness not commonly found in a 63-year-old classic. This characteristic, along with the nostalgic driving feel, adds to the charm of piloting a Samba bus and contributes to the overall enjoyable driving experience that enthusiasts appreciate even on the road today. Fun. Back in the 60s and still now, owning and driving a Samba bus is all about fun and adventure. Whether it's embarking on road trips, camping in scenic locations, or attending vintage car rallies, the Samba evokes a sense of joy and nostalgia. Its sociable interior layout encourages conversation and camaraderie among passengers, fostering memorable moments and lifelong friendships. And speaking of fun, check out this special key to unlock the gas cap and the engine compartment. Cultural icon. The Samba bus has become more than just a vehicle, it is a cultural icon. Its association with the 1960s counterculture and the hippie movement has solidified its place in popular culture. With its vibrant paint jobs, peace signs, and flower decals, the Samba embodies the spirit of freedom, adventure, and self-expression. Restoration journey. The restoration of this remarkable Samba Microbus is a testament to the dedication and attention to detail put into bringing it back to its former glory. It underwent a comprehensive refurbishment that revitalized both its mechanical components and its aesthetics. The vehicle underwent disassembly, allowing for meticulous metalwork and body repairs. The restoration extended to entire drivetrain and interior as well. Notable features of this restored Samba Microbus include a tan fabric sunroof, chrome hubcaps adorning white finished steel wheels that harken back to its vintage charm. From basket case to showpiece, this meticulous restoration of this 1959 23-window Type 2 Samba Volkswagen bus with unique features and impeccable craftsmanship is a testament to the enduring legacy of Volkswagen's iconic Type 2 buses.